Welcome to AceAssert. In this video, we will be discussing practice exam questions for Splunk Core Certified User Certification Exam. Question 1. Which search would return events from the access combined source type? A. Source type JAX access combined. B. Source type SHA access combined. C. Source type JAX access combined. D. Source type SHA access combined. The correct answer is C. Source type JAX access combined. Now, here's why. Splunk search commands like source type are case insensitive, so source type or source type will work. However, the value assigned to source type, like access combined, is case sensitive by default. Option A, source type access combined, is wrong because it's looking for a lowercase access combined, which doesn't match our actual source type. Option B, source type access combined, is also wrong for the same reason. It's using a capital S, which is fine, but it is still looking for a lowercase access combined, which does not match. Option D, source type access combined, is wrong for the same reason as A. The command case is fine, but the value is incorrect. Only option C gets the capitalization of access CHAS combined right. Remember, command case doesn't matter, but value case does. That's your key takeaway for source types. Question 2. Which of the following index searches would provide the most efficient search performance? A. Index. B. Index web or index s. C. Index web or index s sales. D. Index s sales and index n web. The correct answer is C. Index web or index sales. Why? Because it's all about narrowing down the data Splunk has to look through. Option A, index is the worst. This tells Splunk to search every index, which is incredibly slow. You're basically looking for a needle in a haystack. Option B, index or web, OR, index OS, is better, but still uses a wildcard. SAR. Wildcards force Splunk to scan more indexes than necessary, slowing things down. Option D, index our sales and index our web, is just plain wrong. First, the syntax is off. Second, an event can't be in both the sales and web indexes simultaneously. Plus, the leading asterisk will slow the search down. Option C is the most efficient because it directly targets only the web and sales indexes. The OR operator lets Splunk combine those results quickly. The less data Splunk has to scan, the faster your search. That's the core of efficient Splunk searches. Question 3. What is a suggested Splunk best practice for naming reports? A. Reports are best named using many numbers so they can be more easily sorted. B. Use a consistent naming convention so they are easily separated by characteristics such as group and object. C. Name reports as uniquely as possible with no overlap to differentiate them from one another. D. Any naming convention is fine as long as you keep an external spreadsheet to keep track. Okay, let's talk report naming. The best practice is B. Use a consistent naming convention. This makes your Splunk environment much more organized. Option A, using lots of numbers, is bad. Numbers don't tell you anything about what the report does. You're just making it harder to find what you need. Option C, unique names without a system, is also bad. Sure, every name will be different, but you won't be able to group or categorize them. It will become a mess. Option D, relying on an external spreadsheet, is inefficient. You want your report names to be self-explanatory within Splunk, not require you to check another document. Option B is the way to go. A consistent convention, like Team Data Source Metric Frequency, lets you quickly understand what a report is for. For example, Security, Firewall Traffic Volume Daily. This makes searching, filtering, and collaboration much easier. Keep your Splunk organized. For a full list of practice questions, drop an email at acert6@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.